let's make Khara kadabu or lentil dumplings. We usually make this in South India during our Ganesha festival. Soak about 2 cups of chana dal in enough water. This will make it nice and soft. Once the lentils are ready, let's drain it out and put them into a food processor. I've reserved about half a cup whole lentils as is. I will tell you why later. Now let's add in some cinnamon and cloves, whole garam masala as we call it. Add as few or as many green chilies as you like, and some ginger and garlic. Now add about half or 3/4 spoon of salt and run this on pulse mode in a food processor until you get a crumbly mixture. Now put that into the bowl of prepped onion, dill, coriander and the remaining soaked lentils that we had reserved. The soaked lentils that are whole usually gives a good dimension of texture. That's why I've left it that way. Now combine all this well. If you need a little more salt, add that in. And it's time to make our dumplings. Grease a bowl well because this will be steamed. So whichever bowl you take, grease that well with a little oil and then grease your hands as well when you're making dumplings. That way it's easy to work with the dough. This dough should make about 10 to 12 dumplings and serve about 3 to 4 people. Once you're done making these dumplings, take a pressure cooker or a steamer and get it on medium heat so the water starts boiling. Place the bowl of dumplings into the cooker, close it and cook it for about 20 minutes without pressure on medium heat. While the dumplings are cooking, you can make some coriander or mint chutney. They make a great dip for these dumplings. I guess we're done steaming. Don't remove the bowl right away. Let it cool off a bit, otherwise the dumplings are going to be sticky. Once they are ready, you can temper them with some mustard seeds, curry leaves and some lentils and serve them with your favorite chutney.